makes every scene and space dramatic. Sound Remedy, presented by Folklove.
A fresh out the box pair of Jordan 3. Feels a daffodil. Little kids giggle. Some in the spice out. Beaches in Brazil. First snow winter on the windowsill. 501s on the one who gives you butterfly still. The wonders of the world. Small things included. Take a wall of pain and move it. True, this life gets tough. Hard times we grind. So I keep them images in my mind. So the wonders of the world. Small things included. Take a wall of pain and move it. True, this life gets tough. Hard times we grind. So I keep them images in my mind of beautiful things that make me sing like when life gets ugly. It's them lovely thoughts
is timeless, so we gotta guide these blinded rhymers away from the shiny diamonds and fancy coats. Show 'em what matters most. Rappers boast, stunt and show off, scared to be looked at as something so soft. Trying to be hard, but they hardly real. Make so-called music you hardly feel. That's why they leave a lot left to be desired. So I try to write to rekindle the fire, lifting it higher. The simple man with a pen, trying to give you something you can feel again. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, you don't need to let the world feel your pain. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, you don't need to let the world feel your pain. And they love to hear it, constructing lyrics to touch the spirit. So fresh and inspire the hopeless. Better myself and retire the dopest. Or at least well respected. I'm free to be me and I sell my message. But people are rarely rich, so for little or nothing I share my gift. While you vibe to it, stare and drift. In the space, take your mind on a damn trip to a place music nowadays never ventures. Embrace the experience, let me enter the next adventure. Remains a mystery. Then I paint a picture to stay in your memory and secure my place in history. In your heart, I stay convincing me. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, you don't need to let the world feel your pain. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, you don't need to let the world feel your pain. H.R. we be heart and soul, proud and bold. H.R. we be heart and soul, proud and bold. I was told not to hold back and broke brass for casting use for healing. Say things that you ain't used to hearing. Don't believe everything the news revealing. So I grab mics and use speakers to expose gems for the true seekers. Cause they just might be the future leaders. Erasing all doubt, make true believers. And you and me, all is possible. Self-pride can't make y'all unstoppable. And help you push through your obstacles. Peace is a must, war is optional. Who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, you don't need to let the world feel your pain. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, you don't need to let the world feel your pain. He who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, you don't need to let the world feel your pain. Who's in love with the art should know it's always best to come from the heart. Yes. When the music don't feel the same, you don't need to let the world feel your pain. H.R. we be heart and soul, proud and bold. H.R. we be heart and soul, proud and bold. H.R. we be heart and soul, proud and bold. H.R. we be heart and soul, proud and bold.
keep it fresh. I like to make a track and let my people be impressed. Now you already know the photo is the label, the place I belong, and I like to call it cradle. I'm motivated, never ever going faded. No need to explain, I'm already documented. More in the rap music, less than the poems. Full of surprise, man, so keep the drum rolling. My rhymes connect to your heartbeat. Add a little spice with the fresh wasabi. Hit the drum with the chopstick, how's the sound? Toe behind the low, that means bounce around. Just feeling it, just feeling the groove. Making the good vibes, let's fill the room. As we proceed to give you what you need. We a party rocker, most definitely. This is the journey into the sound. Let's fly away, away from the ground. My flow, your ear, that's all we need. Let the music flow, it's all in the end. This is the journey into the sound. Let's fly away, away from the ground. My flow, your ear, that's all we need. Let the music flow, it's all in the end. Melody, melody, kick me snare, the hi-hat. 秘密の言葉はすでに唱えた。Dance floor 魔法のカーペット。都会を見下ろせる高い場所まで。この投資口にはない自主の違い。こだわるなんていつの時代。気持ちがいい Don't stop the music. No stress, no plan. 今夜は自由に Just you and me. ただ夢見を焦げみようリズムで雲の上に。なんなら大気圏も越して Venus と Mars まだ見ぬ星へ。音楽のギャラクシー Beats のユニバース。帰りによローカルマーキュリーが Jupiter。黒い円盤と Space Traveling。誰でもなくそう君のために。This is the journey into the sound. Let's fly away, away from the ground. My flow, your ear, that's all we need. Let the music flow, it's all in the end. This is the journey into the sound. Let's fly away, away from the ground. My flow, your ear, that's all we need. Let the music flow, it's all in the end. This is the journey into the sound. Let's fly away, away from the ground. My flow, your ear, that's all we need. Let the music flow, it's all in the end. This is the journey into the sound. Let's fly away, away from the ground. My flow, your ear, that's all we need. Let the music flow, it's all in the end. This is the journey into the sound. Let's fly away, away from the ground. My flow, your ear, that's all we need. Let the music flow, it's all in the end. This is the journey into the sound. Let's fly away, away from the ground. My flow, your ear, that's all we need. Let the music flow, it's all in the end.
For the leaves to stay green, for the sea to stay blue, for you to be yourself again, I will sing with you.
In her own sweet world, populated by dolls and clowns and a prince and a big purple bear, lives my favorite girl, unaware of the worried frowns that we worry grown-ups all wear. Oh, and in the sun she dances to silent music, songs that are spun of gold somewhere in her own little head. Someday, all too soon, she'll grow up and she'll leave her dolls and her prince and her silly old bear. When she goes, they will cry as she whispers goodbye. They will miss her, I fear, but then so will I. populated by dolls and clowns and a prince and a big purple bear. Oh, this my favorite girl, unaware of the worried frowns that we weary grown-ups all wear. Oh, in the sun she dances to silent music, songs that are spun of gold somewhere in her own little head. And someday, all too soon, she'll grow up and she'll leave her dolls and her prince and her silly old bear. When she goes, they will cry as she whispers goodbye. They will miss her, but then so will. They will miss her, but then so will I. They will miss her, but then so will. Oh, they will miss her, but then so will I.
Brown-skinned pygmy born in the heart of Babylon. Unsure where I belong, Rasta said you a son of Zion. Fam taught me to keep strong, carry the light on. Fight for what you believe in even when people say you wrong. Pop showed me how he do it, opposition come work through it. Talked about the faith of slaves and how it got them through it. Helped my face when I cried, cause he knew despite words wise, it ain't easy to survive. Everyday life and hate collide. He had seen it plenty growing up in the streets of Tennessee. When on his way to school he would see their bodies swinging from a tree. Loved his fam, but racism and hate got him feeling low. Had to make something of his life as a man, so he had to go. Get away from the conditions, eliminate his visions. On a mission, Air Force knocking on his door, now he enlisting. Met my mom's new friends while blowing his horn and making a living. They spent time, fell in love, together had 3 children. You know, I had to grow up to realize my parents were young one day, and that they not perfect. Nobody is. We all make mistakes. Only thing we can do is do our best, right? I guess the thing I learned is to let go of the hurt and celebrate our uniqueness. My pops told me when he seen his moms for the last time, drinking Coke 45, watching TV, eating pork rinds. She had given him her blessing. About women taught him this lesson. When you ask a hand, make sure you base your choice upon her essence. My parents' love bloomed in the era of dashikis, when injustice in high places turned to violence in the streets. Divided in color, united between the sheets. Free like hippies, guess the world just didn't agree. Over time I got to see the beauty of their legacy. The way music and love can overcome adversity. I used to walk around with a frown, mind in a deep state, searching for guidance, unsure of my fate. I wrote down the pain inside, left my tears upon the page. Soon my life changed, I got introduced to an 808. Found the key to my destiny and shared it on stage. Love and music, my legacy carries me through these last days.
melodies that can save me from this world.
I don't wanna know your name, I just want you, girl. Your colors are so vibrant in my world. Just a chance for unity, I'll make you see. We can paint the future, love, just trust me. I don't wanna know your name, I just want you, girl. Your colors are so vibrant in my world. Just a chance for unity, I'll make you see. We can paint the future, love, just trust me.
Yo, just another altercation. The one you call love, isn't that amazing? You came to the spot with him, all because he said he got change in him. And no, I'm not trying to break you up, just wanna give you what seems to be the cure. Your tone is so pure, feel for the real, I would give you no lies. You were down from the beginning with that look in your eyes. Hey
I
love,
wanna know your name, I just want you, girl. Your colors are so vibrant in my world. Just a chance for unity, I'll make you see. We can paint the future, love, just trust me. I don't wanna know your name, I just want you, girl. Your colors are so vibrant in my world. Just a chance for unity, I'll make you see. We can paint the future, love, just trust me.
You were really stressed out. Sat up on my bed and blew a breath out. Took a second to assess how my life changed. All the drama that I bled out from dead pals and homies in the Fed house. I'm gone. I shouldn't have made it this far. In fact, Lord knows I walk a disheartened path. Single parent raised, mother hardly gripped on the cash. Rocking faded jeans before that shit launches fed. It's sad, a kid from the block with the strange shoes, with no brand name, a product of the same truth as fathers of my generation hardly ever came through. They raised dudes to falter, who make do or alter. Just let me make through this conscious. Feet trail through this darkness. More it seems, huh? Yeah, yo, cause nothing here is sweet, not a great suit or office. I speak from the same struggle, strange fruit will harvest. Zoo bias where the violence was upon us. Fires in the conflicts, the bias that accomplish. Sirens of the cops turned admirers into targets. In 30 years removed, we're still fighting with the lawless. You see, I got my own problem. My being trying to kill me for the O's. It's so fraud, like I ain't done my part. My bleeding heart got old scars. All teary-eyed when I receive they phone calls. Hope they understand I never mean to go far. No matter where I dwell, I take a piece of both you. Is it a dream? I dozed off. A couple seconds later, hear the screams of those gone. My homie Chris B, the homie Raj Rad. Rest in peace to both y'all. You're not forgotten in the past world.
fireplace shatters. Like the fireplace shatters. Like this, and fireplace shatters. Like this, and fireplace shatters. Candle like this, and fireplace shatters. Candle like this, and fireplace shatters. Like this, and fireplace shatters. Like this, and fireplace shatters. Like this, fireplace shatters. This, and fireplace shatters. Like this, and fireplace I can't wait to see you. Matter of fact, I'ma book a flight right now. I'm on the laptop, you getting hot like a matchbox. Break a sweat till your neck wet. We can text sex on your camera phone. We can flick it up. Let me see something. Your shirt lift it up. I just gotta see you. Bracelet to ankle. Please excuse me, ma. I'm so impatient. The deepest part of me, the sadness of you is all I have, so it feels double to set you free. I remember your eyes, talk like whispers, and I wish to get with you, paint clearer the pictures I was feeling. Keep you from leaving, but my angels turn to demons, imprisoned by my freedom, and I'm thinking of you, feeling nothing but pain. Life's a deck of cards, I'm fucked up in the game. Life's a check, and when it's cash, it's all in. Ain't no skipping steps. God sees everything, the good, the bad, the bitter, the sweet. Times you insane, times you on your knees. Life's a check, and when it's cash, it's all in. Ain't no skipping steps. God sees everything, the good, the bad, the bitter, the sweet. Times you insane, times you on your knees.
Last night I saw you standing. I started pretending I knew you. You knew me too. And just like a Ronnie, you were too shy. But you weren't the only, 'cause so was I. And I think of it every night, how I just could not get it right. Oh, if we'll ever come close again, I know I'll say it in. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. One more dance with you again. I will not let it go. Oh, please give me just one more chance for love. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name.
It is not half so important to know as to feel.